Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these smart glasses for reviewing purposes, and I think that they are nice because they can connect to your cell phone via Bluetooth, so you can stream your music, take up phone calls, answer them, use your voice assistant, different functions that I think that they are great. First thing we see is the proper back where the glasses are. Okay, these are the one. Okay, they have a really modern design that I think that it's great. They protect off blue light so you can use them while you are working in your computer, okay? And they fit perfectly, okay? On the bottom part of each like the glasses, you get the charging port, okay? And you can control them by pressing the sides of them, okay? I'm gonna place them on and I'm turning them on in a minute, okay? We get the instruction manual with all the steps on how to use it. We get it in different languages, which I think that it's great. That way you can, well, understand each of the instructions and everything, how to pair it, and anything that you need to know. Which I think that it's great. Okay, we get a cleaning cloth. Okay, it's nice. And lastly, the proper charging cable. Okay, as you can see, the charging cable gets two charging places, so you can just charge them at the same time. Okay, you just connect them magnetically into the ports like this, one side and the other, and it will be charged by connecting it to a USB port. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. I'm gonna place them and turn them on so I can connect them to my cell phone. You can listen through the speakers that are built in to the glasses when they are turned on. And as you can see, I can just use the controls to play some music, turn up the volume, change the song. And what I think that is nice is that, well, it doesn't use a regular earbud, more like a open ear system, which I think that it's really nice because that way you can still being able to listen to your surroundings while using the headphones option, which I think that is nice. As I've said, you can also use it with your voice assistant, and something that I think that it's great is that you can use it with the camera. Okay, as you can see, I have my camera right here, and with the touch of the button, with two clicks, I can take pictures. As you can see, it took pictures of the many times that I press the button. Okay, as you can see, once again, this time selfie, which I think that it's a really useful function that you can use whenever you need it to just control the camera wirelessly. And I think they are really nice. They have a really nice sound, which I think that it's nice. And what I think that also that it's great is that it's really easy to connect to your cell phone. You just need to go to the Bluetooth settings and just pair it up, which I think that it's great once that they are turned on, obviously. And they are really compact. And as I've said, they block the blue light, which I think that it's excellent because that way you can still being able to listen to music while you're working, listening to your surroundings, and don't get the blue light of the computer, which I think that it's great. Overall, I think they're really nice. They're really lightweight. They doesn't weigh that much and don't feel that clunky upon your head. They feel of an amazing quality, and I like a lot the function of taking photos with your camera wirelessly, and that you can be listening to music outdoors without having to worry about not listening to someone, which I think that is great. So I would really recommend them. See you guys.